Okay, once again, this is the same worksheet. I'm going to go ahead and do number 3 problem here. Citric acid is present in the juice of all citrus fruits like lemons, limes, oranges, and tangerines. Its percent composition is 37.5%. So go ahead and start writing it as you're reading it, okay? 4.2% hydrogen. Remember, we're going to make it into gram. And 58.3 grams oxygen. You can do 1 mole C, 12.01 gram C, 1 mole H, 1.01 gram H, 16 gram O, 1 mole O. Okay, once again, take the top number divided by the bottom, and you should get 31.224. Oh, sorry, it's 3.1224. And then this one is 4.1584. And keep in mind, these are moles, and I'm not putting moles right now. After the division is when I'll put moles, okay? And this is going to be 3.6438. So let's see which one is the smallest. This one is the smallest, so divide all of them by the smaller number. All of them, the smaller number right here. All right, and when you divide, you get 1 here. So now notice for this one, you get 1.33, and for this one, you get 1.167. So you can either take my word or you can try it. Now, for when the decimal is fraction right here is 0.167, I've given you a hint, it's 1 over 6. And 0.33 is 1 over 3. So either you can try to multiply these, all of these with 3, and I know that's not going to work. So what we need to do is multiply all of them by 6. So always take the smallest fraction, denominator of that, and multiply with it, okay? If this is too much what I'm saying, so just try it yourself. Try to multiply 1.33 and 1.167 by 3 and see what happens. Do you get a whole number? If you don't, then you know that you gotta, the other fraction is 1 over 6. So you gotta multiply by 6, okay? So when you do that, you will get 6 here. And this is going to be 8. So this is 6 mole carbon, 8 mole hydrogen, and this is 7 mole oxygen, okay? And here's that whole compound right here, okay? Citric acid, all right? So the formula is carbon 6, hydrogen 8, and oxygen 7. And that's your empirical formula. All right, I hope this was helpful.